This lecture is on the Excel Financial Workbook for the Business Plan class. The class comes with an Excel workbook with several worksheets set up to create financial statement projections for a company in the industry. Download the Excel workbook, and as you go tab by tab through it, you will find instructions that direct the user on where to enter numbers in order to create a custom set of financial projections for their own business. The workbook has colored cells, which match up to the colored instructions for the cells. Move along the tabs, entering your own assumptions in the colored cells. The worksheets have many cell formulas that will automatically generate the financial statements once you are done. As discussed in the previous business plan lectures, an income/profit and loss summary should be included in the plan. The workbook generates this once you have entered your custom figures. Just copy and paste the income statement summary into the Word business plan document where it belongs. As discussed in the previous business plan lectures, a cash flow summary should be included in the plan. The workbook generates this once you have entered your custom figures. Just copy and paste the cash flow statement summary into the Word business plan document where it belongs. As discussed in the previous business plan lectures, a balance sheet summary should be included in the plan. The workbook generates this as well once you have entered your custom figures. Just copy and paste the balance sheet statement summary into the Word business plan document where it belongs. You will also want to paste the first year monthly income, profit and loss statement into the business plan Word document. And the first year monthly cash flow statement should be pasted into the business plan Word document as well. There are many other tabs in the workbook with various financial statements that are created for your use. You are welcome to paste any others you wish into the Word document business plan or use them for internal planning purposes.